Okay, so what's going on, everybody? My name is Jaguar, and today we were at our very first tutorial about programming. Ayan po, magsaya tayo, guys. And our first tutorial will be databases, guys. Ayan. So, una po tayo sa databasing. Ayan, database po tayo. So, just ano lang ng overview about database. So guys, para sa inyo guys, ano yung database or ano po yung database, okay? So what is a database? So database is actually guys, and database is where we store our data or informations about our system. So diyan natin nilalagay sa database ang ating mga information na gustong i-store. It is a set or it is a collection of data. Okay? It is a collection of data. So regarding how much it will sum up, or how many data you encoded, it is still a database guys, because may pinapasok ka na mga data or mga information na gusto nyo i-store. Okay? So, paano ba na-build up ang database? So, database guys is made up of tables, okay? So, guys, if we say tables, it is not literally that study table, dining table, or ano pa yung table dyan. And that's not it will be mga guys. And tables for databases is it simply means that database is a tabular representation of your data or information. Okay, so tables can store similar information. Okay, so let's head on the next one. And okay guys, for example, YouTube. Okay, so ano ba yung main goal ng YouTube? Okay? Para sa inyo guys, ano yung main goal ng YouTube? Oh, 'di ba? 'Di ba mag-upload sila ng videos, okay? And the other users in the system or in the YouTube or inside the YouTube can comment, okay? Can comment, and the other person or the other users can sign up, okay? So, ang isang buong system guys is ni ano nila ni ano bang tawag dito? Ni separate nila yung pinupuntahan ng mga data. For example, I am new in the social industry or social media or anything, and I don't have an account, okay? So papasok ako sa registration or sign up page of YouTube, okay? Papasok ako dyan, encode na ako ng aking information. So magwa-wonder ka if saan na iso-store or saan napupunta yung mga data mo. Okay? So YouTube structured their database like this. For example, may ganon yung example natin. So nag-encode ako ng aking information, and then saan ba nasa-store? Okay, yung YouTube is gagawa sila ng table, which is a user tables. Ayan, users table. Bali, dito nakalista lahat ng information ng users, okay? And then, if the user will upload a video, it's another story, guys. So, gagawa naman ulit ang YouTube developer or development team. Gagawa naman sila ulit ng another table for the videos where the user upload it, and saan ba nasa-store ang content ng video or yung URL ng video or ano ba dyan. Saan ba yan nasa-store, okay? So, hindi po pwedeng pagsamahin natin si user 1 is nag-upload ng videos, but yung storage mo is isa lang. So, it's a bad practice guys, but But the best practice is separate po sila, okay? Same as the comments, okay? So we will proceed on the next one. And okay guys, more on tables. Ano ba yung tables? Okay? So sabi natin kanina, tables is a study table, dining table. Well, it is not, guys, okay? It is not. And ang tables, guys, is a tabulated is a tabulated collection of data, okay? So kapag sinabi nating tabulated, it will contain or made up of columns and then rows, okay? So alam naman natin yung columns. Columns is yung patayo and then the rows is yung pahiga, di ba? So columns are like categories, guys. So I will discuss this later, okay? And each entry or yung entry na ini-encode mo will go to a separate row. Hindi yung encode ka ng user 1 is ayan siya sa first row and then nag-encode ka ng user 2 ay dyan pa rin siya sa row 1 or sa row 1. Ay hindi po pwede yan, guys. So bali kapag nag-encode ka ng user 1 is the first row is kanya lahat na information na yan. And then the second row will go to the user 2 or sino pa dyan, okay? So moving on, and this is the actual data on the database, guys, or the data under the table, okay? So ano bang tawag natin sa name, age, profession? Ano ba yan? Mga ano ba yan? So yan, guys. So yung name, age, and profession is just like a naming of our rows or our column, I mean. So bali di ba nung previous slide is sinabi natin columns is just like category, okay? Parang category lang po yung columns. So pag sinabi natin parang category ay for example, name. So anong nilalagay natin sa name or anong ini-encode natin or pinapasok natin under the column name? So ang pinapasok natin is ang name ng user, okay? And then same sa age. Ano ba ang nilalagay natin sa age? Is yung edad ng ating user, di ba? And same sa profession. So bali, kinakategorize natin every column of a table para maintindihan natin ng clear na ditong column ay para sa pangalan, ditong column ay para sa age or sa edad, and the last column is for the profession, okay? And that's how a table made of, okay? And proceed po tayo, okay? So pag sinabi nga primary keys, ano ba yung primary keys? Ano ba yan? Yeah, susi ba yan? Susi ng kotse, bahay? Ano ba yan? Susi ng diary notebook ba yan? So keys, guys, is just like the example, di ba? Susi. So ang susi, guys, is in our databasing side is yun yung pinaka-unique na ID or pinaka-unique na identification para sa iyong data. For example, meron kang 5,000 entries and then magkapareho sila ng pangalan, lahat, magkapareho ng profession, and you want to select only the name like this and the profession like this, but the ID of this person is like this. And dapat ang i-return niya is the only one person that you want to search for, okay? So kailangan natin ng primary keys para ma-query natin or malaman natin kung siya ba talaga ang legit na may na ating hinahanap. Okay? So dapat natin gamitin yung primary keys. So lahat ng tables guys na nasa loob ng inyong database should have a primary keys para malaman natin na itong table na to is yung primary key niya is ito. And itong another table na ito is meron siyang primary key din para malaman natin yung identification ng every entry inside a table, okay? So, no rows can have the same primary key. So, walang rows po na parehas. For example, user 1 under your first row, and then user 2 under your second row. Hindi pwedeng yung identification number nila is magkapareha. So, dapat hindi po yan guys. That's a bad practice, okay? So, a column, primary key is just like a column that is 100% unique to the other ones, okay? So, proceed po tayo. And, ayan. So, makikita nyo guys, this is the full representation of a table guys, okay? So, meron na tayong column name, column age, column profession. To put a primary key guys, kailangan natin maglagay din ng another column which ay ang ilalagay natin or i-define natin sa kanya is siya yung ating primary key or siya yung ating identification sa every row or sa every single row, okay? Hindi pwedeng si Jaguar at si Rappi ay iisang ID. Hindi po pwede yan. Ayan. So, dapat si Jaguar at si Rappi or si Bogart and Dimitri ay merong iba-ibang ID para hindi sila or para hindi sila magkaligaw. Okay? Yung ating system is hindi malilito kapag nag-query ka for them. Okay? So, proceed po tayo. So, what is SQL guys? Ano ba ang SQL? Ano ba to? Okay. So, SQL is ano ba to? Mukhang nakalimutan ko SQL guys, patay. So, SQL stands for Structured Query Language, okay? So, SQL guys is just a language that database used, okay? So, kung ang computer natin is walang SQL and then tayong tao ay mag-uutos sa ating computer like this, okay? Hey computer, find a Rafi on the users table, and the computer will answer, huh? What? Ganun. Basically guys, our computer do not understand English at all. Okay? So kailangan natin ng SQL para maintindihan ng ating computer ang ating kini-query or ang ating nire-request na query para makuha natin yung information na gusto natin. Okay? So, it is clear guys. Okay, so MySQL guys is just a program that understand SQL, okay? So yung MySQL po ay hindi uri ng database, okay? Or hindi uri ng language or MySQL is not a language at all. Because MySQL is a program that understand SQL, okay? So there's a bunch of software out there guys na magagamit nyo for developing under under SQL, but I find MySQL is the best. Okay, so why? Bakit nga ba? So SQL guys, MySQL guys is a very fast, okay, and lightweight. Hindi po siya mabigat pag in-install ninyo. And then open source po siya. So sa other contender, meron din silang ganyan, but I find myself comfortable in my SQL because kaya nga, gaya nga ng sinabi ko, is fast, lightweight, and open source. Kasi po yung iba is bibilhin nyo pa, and it will cost a lot, okay? So I think that's it guys. So this is our first tutorial about databasing or about a programming tutorial, okay? So watch out lang kayo dyan for more tutorials na upcoming. And then you can follow me on Twitch, Facebook, Gmail, and Twitter, okay? So okay guys, goods ba tayo dyan? Okay pa ba tayo? So guys, recap po tayo, okay? So database is composed of tables, and the tables composed of columns and rows, and also a primary key that is unique, 100% unique to the other table, okay? So that's it guys. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos. Once again, my name is Jaguar, and see you on the next one. Peace out.